Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. I'm looking like crap right now because, like, I'm not feeling too well. So, but I love you, baby.
I love you too. Yes,
Yeah.
I. Yeah, you're the vibe.
You're the vibe. Me and you together are the vibe.
It's Islandboy again. Rasta boys, society, yeah. Alright then.
Yeah, man. Straight at 80 we are going now. What? You know, so I don't have a case yet. Yeah, man. So guys, right now we are going to Navy Island, you see it? My thing. We are going to look some coconut and some man thing, you see it? Yeah. Look pretty, man. One barrel couldn't catch that. Yes, isn't it? It's the vibe. The Islandboy. The Islandboy. Up it to the It's Jesus.
Fish. What kind of breaks this?
Yeah, so just entire island, isn't it? Yeah, man. This island is like a forestry. You forgot to say it up on an island, and up on this island. Mad thing. See it? Yeah. So, journey with me while I share the experience. Isn't it? Mad thing, that. Let's go now. It is this. All the way up in the treetop. Sick. Secret. You wanna come cool? Nah, look up. Not that boy. Which not that boy. Oh shit, get shot, man. Energy level are dropping. What do you think?
Island is small compared to some of the system.
Move, man. You know what some want the chopper? You'll find out some and get touches. See what you think of here.
Good girl.
Timmy, how are you? Careful, brother. You see it? Have some coconut in this, see me? Coconut, I think. Wow, on an island like this. I'm below a big dirty hotel, funny. Some bad hands. Hands are killing me. What am I for the buy from you? Buy from you, next thing authority come for me. One bunch of coconut. I see up the because I son. Coconut. Semi fresh. Just pick and peel. You see me? All of them something there. I might be. Yeah, so when I have left them, yes. Sure, no, the ocean, I see it. Yeah. Jesus, for the evil I got to your edge, you know, brother. Take a head as long as so. Back. Never make it back. That's the lighthouse right over there. Yeah, man. And that's probably right over there. Ah, that's it. My thing, man. Chippy, so. Water pretty. Used to come here and come hook fish one time, you know. Time I got primary school now. Them days are over with. If I ever fall, I'll be dead, I tell you. My God, this is dangerous, guys. Don't try this. I've done a vlog here before, you know. Yeah. So I'm back here again. Yeah, man. We only find some coconuts far. No yam yet. You see it. From a little bit to here come here, so. And it's there. See me, I used to swim come on the island and all that thing there. So this is not new to us. Used to use these fish with. Yeah, you just use a stone and crack them open and, you know, pin on that thing inside of it on your hook. Yeah, it's like a snail. I want to go on over here. What's that? Something that look right there. Let me see that. Boom, boom. That's some voodoo thing I go on the island, brother. Jesus. Whoa, yo, suppose me drop on. Tell me the right. Did I run and say man goat gone dead? Some voodoo thing I go on the island, brother. What? Shadow. Pure bones. Some eagle smarty. Take the head and put on a stick. Oh! I saw more of some nail, brother. Come on, man.
Where you get that from?
Alright, what? What do you think that? Look for the thing.
I'm broke school and I have the English for that.
Just video. Make sure you get your boat out with me, isn't it? Catch me?
Yeah.
Look for me to walk through, man. Jesus Christ. I know me I do stick all juke out my eye. These are what they call sea grapes. You see it? Yeah, man, them tree. Don't see any on them right now, maybe. Oh, this a bird nest. This looks like a bird nest. Yes, it is. It is a bird nest. And they've nothing in there. There's a baby bird in it, I can feel it. I'm gonna even try to take him out. Jesus Christ. I have to walk through. Oh, the bomb class! Yo! Bird should have fried them up there, man. Yo! That's the this man there, I say. Yo, them man on. Mad thing. Don't find sauce up. Otherwise known as graviola. Mad thing. Bridge, you climb a tree?
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's one and easy. But then easy, yeah.
Tree, healthy, man.
Yeah, man. Nice. That thing.
That's what they small up to you and then they pound that sauce up, you know?
Alright. What? You can do graffiti? Yeah. I like it. Wicked. Graffiti on the walls. I should put my name here. What? Jesus, suck your mother. Some of you might have seen from my previous vlog. I've been here before and Jesus. This is sick. Honestly guys, it seems like someone is living right there. Like seriously. There's a bed right there and some clothes. See there guys. Navy Island to see it. Marina Resorts. A movie I've actually filmed here guys, like I think it's in the I think it's like in the 60s or something like that. Yeah, I might just show you guys a clip right now. Have a look.
This summer, make your escape to Club Paradise.
I say let's go. All right, we're going.
Just getting there is half the fun.
Remind me to get a new pilot.
So join your host, Robin Williams,
Oh, bye.
I'm Island Jack.
And what island are you from?
Ellis, originally.
with Peter O'Toole, Rick Moranis, Jimmy Cliff, Twiggy, Adolph Caesar, Eugene Levy, and Joanna Cassidy. You'll enjoy luxurious accommodation.
We're still ironing out the bugs.
Well, I think you'll find most of the bugs in my room.
Soak up the scenery.
Yeah. Reach back to our destination. Yeah. We have a raft and we have a kayak, you see it? Mad thing, natty. Yeah. And we're heading over there. See me? Head home and now, you see it, so. Until next time. Yeah, man. Yeah, so now I go swim first. Face hot. Up with you, bro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Let's go now. Yeah, right over the show we go. Not that far from here. Yozi. Yeah. This is the Port Antonio Harbor. Harbor. And there's Navy Island. So, yeah. Chippy something. Deal me forward, man. It takes a lot. Timmy, jump up. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, people, so Warner Brothers over there sound film movie. Believe it or not. Mad thing. Cowboy, what is it? Yo!
So you can't say that.
I like that. Let's watch it.
Don't tell me cowboy. Finland.
Yeah, man, I eat that now.
Finland, man, say.
What book now? That's the raft, man. Yeah, ready up right now, man. Yeah. Survive. Until next time, it's Islandboy signing out. Peace, bless. Let's go. Ah, yeah. It's Islandboy again. Rasta Boys Society, yeah. Alright then. Oh, what a day now. Today is just my blessing day. No one can spoil it for me. Today is just my blessing day. I don't care what them say. If you fall, don't you cry. Just get up again. This is real, this is life. Just get up again. My morning looking brighter. All the weight drop off my shoulder. Enough of them claim them no like us, but still can't push us out, yeah. The good and time will provide. You know if you make them no wiser. No. Been through the worst, I'm still never dead. That mean I'm a real survivor. Today is just my blessing day.